What if a device inspired by Nikola Tesla's frequency research could help your body heal, recover, and rebalance using electromagnetic frequencies rather than drugs or surgery? Tesla Medbed X is a frequency healing device that's generating serious attention in the biohacking and alternative wellness community. Today, I'm breaking down what it is, what the technology claims, and who it's actually designed for. The science of frequency healing. What is it actually? Let's start with the foundational science, because frequency therapy is real, even if some of the claims in this space get ahead of the evidence. Every cell in your body produces and responds to electromagnetic fields. Your heart generates an electromagnetic field detectable several feet from your body. Your brain produces measurable electrical frequencies, delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma waves, each associated with different mental states. PEMF, pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, uses specific low-frequency electromagnetic pulses to interact with the body's own bioelectric fields. It's FDA cleared for bone healing, depression treatment via TMS, and pain management. Hospitals use therapeutic ultrasound, which is frequency-based, for tissue healing. Low-level laser therapy, LLLT, also known as photobiomodulation, uses specific light frequencies to stimulate cellular energy production. The scientific foundation is not science fiction. The question with any specific device is whether its frequency parameters and delivery method are calibrated to produce the claimed effects. Tesla Medbed X is positioned in this space, drawing on Nikola Tesla's original research into resonant frequencies and their biological effects, and applying that framework to a modern wellness device. What does Tesla Medbed X claim to do? Tesla Medbed X is a home frequency wellness device designed for pain and inflammation reduction. Low-frequency electromagnetic fields have documented anti-inflammatory effects at the cellular level, with multiple clinical studies showing PEMF therapy reduces chronic pain, arthritis symptoms, and post-surgical inflammation. Sleep enhancement. Specific delta and theta frequency ranges have been shown to entrain brainwave activity toward deeper, more restorative sleep states. Users of frequency devices frequently report dramatic improvements in sleep quality. Recovery acceleration. PEMF therapy is used by professional sports teams and elite athletes to accelerate tissue repair and reduce recovery time after intense training or injury. Stress and cortisol reduction. Alpha frequency stimulation promotes relaxation and reduces the cortisol response to stress. This is the science behind binaural beats, meditation technology, and neurofeedback. Energy and cellular vitality. At the mitochondrial level, specific frequencies stimulate ATP production, the energy currency of your cells. Enhanced mitochondrial function translates to more physical and mental energy. The device is designed for home use, allowing daily sessions in the comfort of your own environment, which is critical for accumulating the therapeutic benefit that frequency devices deliver. Who is Tesla Medbed X4? Tesla Medbed X is positioned for biohackers and wellness enthusiasts interested in frontier recovery technology, people dealing with chronic pain, inflammation, or arthritis who want non-pharmaceutical options, athletes seeking faster recovery between training sessions, individuals with chronic sleep issues who haven't found resolution with conventional approaches, high-stress professionals looking for technology-assisted stress management, anyone exploring the intersection of frequency science and personal health optimization. It is not a medical device and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Anyone with implanted electronic devices pacemakers, cochlear implants, insulin pumps should not use electromagnetic frequency devices without explicit clearance from their cardiologist or medical team. Pregnant women should also avoid use. What to expect and how to use it. Tesla Medbed X sessions are typically conducted lying down or seated comfortably near the device for 20 to 60 minutes per session. Most protocols recommend daily use for the first 30 days to establish baseline effects, then maintenance sessions several times per week. User-reported experience progression, sessions 1 to 5. Many users report a sense of deep relaxation and calm during and after sessions. Week 2. Improved sleep onset and more restful sleep reported by the majority of consistent users. Week 3 to 4. Reduction in chronic pain and inflammation for users in this category. Athletes report faster recovery between sessions. Week 4 to 8. Cumulative benefit, improved energy, mood stability, and sense of physical well-being becomes more consistent. Frequency therapy rewards consistency. The effects compound over weeks of regular use rather than delivering a single dramatic result. If frequency wellness technology interests you and you want to explore it at home, the link to Tesla Medbed X is in the description. Here are the honest pros and cons. Pros. Built on legitimate frequency science with a strong clinical foundation in adjacent technologies. Home use format makes consistent therapy practical. No chemicals, no drugs, no side effects for most users. Multi-purpose, pain, sleep, recovery, and stress in one device. Cons. Frequency healing remains a controversial space. Evidence quality varies by claim. Premium price point reflects the technology. Not suitable for people with electronic implants. Results are subjective and cumulative, not immediately verifiable. Regulatory status varies by country. Tesla Medbed X sits at the frontier of wellness technology, and that means it won't be for everyone. If you're a conventional thinker who only trusts double-blind pharmaceutical trials, this isn't your product. But if you're curious about the science of frequency and bioelectromagnetics, and you want to explore what this technology can do for your pain, sleep, and recovery, Tesla Medbed X is one of the most sophisticated home use options in this space. The link is in the description. Approach it with consistency. Track your sleep and pain levels before and after, and give it 30 days of daily sessions. The frequency between you and better recovery may be closer than you think. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.